friend, this is Niyati and welcome back to Mobisium. So starting with some good news today, which is WhatsApp payments. So friends, WhatsApp has recently announced the WhatsApp payment feature, which will allow users to send and receive money to their friends and family from within the app. Users now will be able to use the Indian government's very own unified payment interface, that is UPI, for the same. It is important to note that this feature is currently only available peer-to-peer, so you will be only able to send and receive money to your contacts. WhatsApp payments does not support vendor payments yet. Since this app has been implemented with the help of ICICI Bank, which is managing all the UPI transactions, usage of this app will require users to agree to all the terms and conditions and privacy policies of the same. Some of the important conditions for using WhatsApp app features are as follows. So friends, the first condition is that the user needs to have a phone number with the Indian country code. Second condition is that the phone number needs to be linked with a bank account that has been registered for UPI payments. Third is that all the payments will be managed by the payment service provider, which in this case is the ICICI Bank. Fourth condition is that the transactions will be final and you won't be able to recall them under any situation. So friends, payment via WhatsApp is currently available to beta users in India on Android and iOS, and they are begin rolling it out to stable users as well. However, if a beta user sends money to a non-beta user, then the non-beta user automatically gets the feature. This feature is currently available to users in India and there has been no word whether users from around the globe will be getting it soon. Friends, what do you think about this feature? Are you looking forward to using it for your payments? Let us know in the comment section below. So friends, the next big news is about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. The successor to Xiaomi's famous Mi Mix 2, the Mi Mix 2S has been leaked and we have received some really promising specifications from the same. If rumors are to be believed, the device will feature a 5.9-inch unibody design with bezels thinner than its predecessor and a 4-sided ceramic body. The phone will be powered by the mighty Snapdragon 845 chipset clocked at 2.8 GHz. The phone will also feature 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM coupled with the Adreno 630 GPU, and gaming will surely be a feast on this device. This device also features a dual camera setup with two 12MP shooters. So friends, moving on and coming to Motorola Z2 Force. Motorola's much awaited Z2 Force will finally be launching in India on 15th of February, 6 months after it was launched in the US. The phone features Snapdragon 835 chipset and a 12MP dual camera setup on the back and a 5MP single shooter on the front. The major USP of the Z series phones have been their strong shatter shield displays. The Motorola Z2 Force carries the legacy forward by giving us a 5.5-inch Quad HD shatter shield display. The phone will be available in two variants. One is the 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, another is the 6GB RAM with 128GB of storage capacity. So friends, Motorola's much awaited Z2 Force will finally be launching in India on 15th of February, 6 months after it was launched in the US. The phone features a Snapdragon 835 chipset and a 12MP dual camera setup on the back and a 5MP single shooter on the front. The phone has a battery capacity of 2730 mAh with support for fast charging. One of the major drawbacks of this phone could be that it won't have the 3.5mm audio jack, as they have replaced it with the Type-C USB port. There has also been no word about the pricing of the phone and it is expected to be revealed during the launch event. The specs do look pretty promising and it will cater to the premium audience. Friends, although the pricing has not been revealed yet, considering the US pricing of $800, the price range is expected to be in between 40 to 45,000 Indian rupees. Now friends, moving on and coming to Instagram's screenshot recording feature. Friends, Instagram will be rolling out a new feature soon which will notify people when someone will take a screenshot of their Insta stories. This feature has been long implemented in Snapchat and Instagram seems to be following its direction. Once this feature is out, you will be given a warning for the first time you screenshot someone's Insta story. If you continue and take the screenshot, the person will see a star icon next to your name under the list of people who have viewed their story. That star icon will indicate that the particular person has taken a screenshot of their Insta story. Instagram strongly feels that this is a move in the right direction as far as the security of the user is concerned. Now friends, moving on to the next news, which is Geo Bookings. So friends, booking for Geo phones have resumed and this time it's on MobiQuick app. MobiQuick, which is a recharge and payments platform will be accepting bookings for phones soon. So if you wish to buy a Geo phone, you can do that by MobiKwik. Moving on and coming to Samsung Galaxy S9. So friends, the much awaited Samsung Galaxy S9 has been given an official release date. The phone will be launched on 25th of February later this month. This is going to be the biggest launch of 2018 yet, and many users are looking forward to the device. The teaser for the S9 says camera reimagined, and sources claim that this is a reference to the super slow motion mode that S9 might feature. This could also mean a change in the aperture of the camera lens. Friends, the official news will only come from Samsung, and all we could do till then is wait for 25th of February. Several back covers for S9 have been leaked, which indicate design changes from the S8. Friends, what are your expectations from the camera of Samsung Galaxy S9? Let us know in the comments below. So friends, that's all for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to Mobisium and hit that bell icon for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.